Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of FastestVPN. So let me take you to their website, which is fastestvpn.com. For the ones who don't know about them, FastestVPN is a secure and affordable VPN service designed to protect your online privacy and data. The website offers fast servers, military-grade encryption, and global access for streaming, browsing, and secure connection. With Fastest VPN, you can browse anonymously and stay protected online across all devices. So what you're waiting for? You can come to their website, explore all about them, and get yourself a VPN called Fastest VPN. And if you want to check out the pricing, you can click on pricing. It will take you to the pricing section. Over here, you will have three options. You'll go with a monthly plan, that is $5 a month. The 1+ year, which is 0.83 per month, and the exclusive lifetime plan, which is 93% saving, $40 for the lifetime. This is a great plan if you want to go with it. So check out Fastest VPN and get yourself this if you want, but that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn money from Fastest VPN. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will receive commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Fastest VPN, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country or the country of a consumer, you can be part of the affiliate program and start promoting them to anywhere around the globe where they provide their services. And when you bring sales to them, you'll receive commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the footer section. Over here, you can click on Become VPN Affiliate, which will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can see on 100% commission with the best VPN affiliate program. You'll get dedicated affiliate control panel, scheduled payout through a medium of your choice, high conversion rates, dedicated landing pages, marketing materials that brings in more clicks. That's awesome. And if you scroll down how exactly it works, you sign up the right way, you promote fastest VPN, and then you get paid. Simple. And if you scroll down, you can see commission rate in detail. If you bring monthly plan to them, like anyone subscribed for the monthly plan, you'll get 100% of the sign up. And whenever that consumer pays them, you'll get 35% of that amount. That's generous. And if they buy the yearly plan, you'll get 60%. And then on renewal, 35% in case if they end up renewing it for something else. Or, of course, for the yearly plan. And then for 3-year plan, again, the same 60% sign up and 35% renewal. That's awesome. And if you scroll down, you can see more details, and then there are some FAQs as well, like how do you join Fastest VPN affiliate program? Do you qualify for the Fastest VPN affiliate program? Yes, in case if you have a website with VPN specific technology or related material. In case if you don't have a website, even a social media page like Twitter, Facebook, or blog could work as well. And then there are other FAQs as well that you might want to read for better understanding. What marketing methods are not allowed? This is very important. You can't spam on social media, blogs, or forums, or any other recommending services. Spam emails are not allowed. Any marketing via illegal or deceptive means are not allowed. Bidding on the brand keyword fastest VPN is not allowed. So these are some rules that you should abide by. And then who should you contact in case if you have more questions? You can reach out to this email address with any other affiliate program related query that you may have for fastest VPN. Now let's say you have learned it all and you want to apply to be part of the affiliate program. Simply come to the top of the page of the affiliate program. By the way, I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well. Once here, you can start typing your details in here. By the way, all the details I'm gonna mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose, but in your case, ensure you're writing the name and other details accurately as per the best of your knowledge. So I'm gonna write here John Alanio is the last name. You can enter your first name and the last name, followed by the email address and the name of the company. So in case if you do not have a company, you can also mention the name of your website, social media page, or the blog, and simply click on submit. When you do that, it will take in your details and you will get this message. Please follow the instructions below to activate your account. Log into the client area using the username, email address, and password, and then go to the affiliate tab. Over there, you'll find the affiliate link and other details. We can click on login button as well. We'll talk about it shortly, but where do we find the password? That's another question. So you must have received an email from FastestVPN, the email address that you have given. Log into that email account and try to find email from FastestVPN. As you can see, congratulations, you're now our partner. Over here, I will see the username and the password. You can click here from the password. It will take you to this page. Enter your email address in here. Click on send password, reset link. It will send another email to you. You can go and try to find that email too. Click on reset password, and then it will take you to the reset password screen. You can enter your email address, new password, confirm password, followed by click on reset password. This way you can generate your password. And the moment you have set your password, you will be redirected to this portal over here with an account and billing. You would be able to see all the details. And if you want to update your name or change password, you can do it from here. And to get to the affiliate portal or affiliate login, you have to look at the left-hand side menu bar and click on affiliate login. It will take you to this screen. Over here, you can see your affiliate link that you can copy and share with your audience, with your consumer. But let's learn more and let's try to leverage other creatives too. So I suggest you click on login to Post Affiliate Pro, and then it will take you to the Post Affiliate Pro portal for FastVPN. Don't get yourself confused. It's a super quick and easy process. Again, to summarize, once you're on the affiliate program page, since you already have an account at this point, you can click on login here, enter your credential. It will take you to the FastestVPN portal. Over there, click on affiliate login, click on Post Affiliate Pro. That will take you to the Post Affiliate Pro portal for FastestVPN. Once here, you can, as usual, copy your affiliate link from here, but then the other ways as well, you can get your link. To get your link or to get the creatives, you can click on promotions, and over here, you can click on banner links. And at any given time, if you want to take your tracking link, you can take it from the top side. But in case if you want to use the existing link, for example, a banner link that you want to integrate to your website, you can come to promotions, banner links, and from here, see any banner that you like the most. Let's say you prefer the logo, you can click on get banner code, and here is the link code that you can copy and integrate it from the backend of your site. And if you want to get a dynamic link, you can click on dynamic link, enter the URL. This is a destination URL, and click on get code. What it will do, for example, if someone would click on the logo, it would usually take them to the home page, but you have an option to make change to it. For example, if someone to click on it, you want them to a specific web page on FastestVPN site, you can just click on dynamic link, provide the link in here, and click on get code. That should work. And then there is this link icon as well that you can click, and what it will do, it will just copy the link code for you. It's a good convenience. So this is how you can either get your tracking link or get the link of the banner links. The other things as well that you can explore. The next question arises, where can you promote FastestVPN? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe the homepage, maybe the category page, any section where you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can do that. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about FastestVPN, put your tracking links somewhere within your blog post. That means the reader would read your blog post, and if they like FastestVPN, they'll click on the link, they'll buy the subscription, of course, and you will receive commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could influence people through videos, reel, posts, up to you. Put your tracking link in description or comment, so this could work in your favor as well. Fourth way is SaaS website, which is software as a service website. Now, as an affiliate, if you have software as a service website, that means you could probably host fastest VPN links somewhere on your website. Maybe like having a section of top 10 tools or something like that. Or maybe you might want to have like section for different VPN services and put exclusively fastest VPN over there. That means anyone coming to your website, they'll find that VPN section. The moment they'll click on the VPN section, they'll see the list of different VPN services available. Amongst them will be FastestVPN. This way, when they'll click on it, they'll buy the subscription, you'll receive commission. So these are some of the ways you could promote them. And the next question arises, let's say you started bringing sales to them, where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Post Affiliate Pro of Fastest VPN account of yours. Once again, once here, you can click on reports, and let's say if you want to see a quick stats, you can click on quick stats. Over here, you would be able to see clicks, impressions, the number of time your banner links got displayed, and click-through rate. You would also be able to see the sales and other details. You can also go through with other reports, for example, commissions, to see your accumulated commission. You can apply different filters and run the report accordingly. And any payouts that have happened to you, you can click on the payouts for me. Over here, you would be able to see the payout related detail. That will lead to another question. How would you receive the payout of the accumulated commission? For that, you can click on my profile, and over here, you have to click on payment details. Once here you have these options, you can go with PayPal, which I recommend the most. So let's say if you want to go with PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address, choose a minimum payout option, which is 100, and that's it. Save it. So this way your payment method will be saved, and you can expect to receive the commission on 15th of every month for the previous month's sell. And then other options include check. So this way you'll receive the commission via check. Money bookers is another option that you want to go with, or bank or wire transfer. So whatever kind of payment method availability you have, you can choose the payment method from here accordingly and expect to receive commission from Fastest VPN. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Fastest VPN. You become part of the affiliate program, you start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Fastest VPN. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow and if you want to achieve better in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some resources available for you that are free, and as well as the exclusive resources you'll find in the video description. Feel free to leverage any of those as you see fit. And for me, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.